Hi, I'm David from G8 Performance. Now that you have your G8s, I'm going to show you how to fit them to your shoe. Step 1, take them out of the box. Now, using your old insole as a pattern guide, cut around the toe area of your G8s. And place your G8s in your shoe, just to make sure they fit. Step 4, in a seated position, have your knees and shoulder width apart and your feet on a hard surface. Step 5, choose an arch piece and slide it under your foot, concentrating just behind the big toe joint. Now it should be barely touching underneath your foot, so that one looks a little high. Try the next one. And that one too is probably a little bit high. Try the next one. And so this one slides in, just touching the foot. I think that's the right one. You can try the lower one as well. And that looks like there's a bit too much room under there. So we'll go for the third one that you tried. Step 6, now you've selected your arch. Clip the arch piece on the bottom of your insole on the second and third row of pegs. The arch piece must be attached to at least 2 rows of pegs to remain secure. Now place your foot back on the G8s and observe where the arch is under your foot, concentrating on the support just behind your big toe joint. If there's a gap in there, you can move the arch a notch or 2 forward. Make minor side-to-side adjustments for your arch for a perfect fit. Step 7, fit the G8s into your shoes, then stand up. Make sure they're nice and comfy. Now, if you have any questions in fitting your G8s, please contact us.